The Mircom group of companies is North America's largest independent designer, manufacturer, and distributor of intelligent building and life safety solutions. Reaching customers in over 100 countries worldwide, our portfolio includes fire detection and alarm, communications and security, mass notification, nurse call, and building automation and smart technologies. Founded in 1991 by Tony Falbo, whose industry roots date back to the early 1960s, the privately held, family-run company has consistently achieved robust growth.
We always thought that if we created the right technology with the right nucleus of people around me, we could have built a company that could go a long way with technology and products that could be exported in various parts of the world.
Key to Mircom Group's success is its complete vertical integration. For that reason, we proudly operate from our 100,000 square foot head office and manufacturing facility in Toronto, Canada.
Under one roof, you're finding research and development, you're finding production, you're finding applications engineering, you're seeing teams collaborate on solutions, working with customers, working with suppliers. It really is a very dynamic environment. It demonstrates the deep commitment we have to our industry and to our technologies.
Typically, family-run companies are considered to be more mom and pop, but I think nothing could be further from the truth here at Mircom. We've got cutting-edge technology. We've got an R&D team that's focused on developing the latest and greatest.
Keeping our company private and operating it like a family business means that we can do what we feel is right at the end of the day. It's our names on the solutions and the products, and we're responsible and accountable for those solutions.
Mircom's made a strong commitment to North American manufacturing because we feel it gives us an actual competitive advantage. We feel that the level of control we have in quality, flexibility of production runs, the time to market, speed with logistics, there's a whole host of benefits that we find by producing in North America.
Over the years, Mircom Group's brands, solutions, and capabilities have evolved along with the needs of the industry to much larger and broader applications.
We've got a real commitment to the history and legacy of fire technologies, but at the same time, I think the new breed of engineering staff that we have, the new focus and the new commitment is really on converging other industries and best practices and best technologies and bringing them to bear in the products that we create, whether they're fire, security, building automation systems. It's really an exciting time in the development of our own company, but it's also an exciting time in the development of technologies. And I think we have that flexibility and that drive and that real commitment.
Our global network of dedicated sales and service offices, known as Mircom Engineered Systems, allows us to be a full solution provider. Through Mircom ES, we're able to provide and fully service our lineup of innovative and advanced solutions, which are scalable to satisfy diverse user demands, from small and mid-sized buildings to the world's most complex applications.
Mircom today can tackle all sizes of projects right across the globe. There is really no limit to the projects or applications that we can be involved in today.